Hello there, Philip with One Man Fencing here. I want to show you how we use our livestock cattle panel connectors and the livestock cattle panels to stake up some green beans. If you've had as much rain as we have, your garden is really growing, and this is a simple way to stake up your green beans and also be able to use these reusable connectors as well as your cattle panels for many years to come. So if you'll come over here with me first, you can see this is the first row that we've already completed. It's just a 16-foot cattle panel along with our livestock panel connectors that we make here at One Man Fencing. You can see here where one panel ends, the second panel begins, and you just continue right on down the fence row. So we'll just show you real quickly with a panel or two how to install your panels onto the connector. We've already got our two connectors placed, so we're just going to pick this up, put in the panel. Once the panel's inserted, of course, you just place your nut on there, tighten down. Just finger tight until you can come back with the wrench. So we've moved down to the second post, putting up the second panel. You'll just slide the second panel into it. Go ahead and put your nut on just to hold it. Move down here and put the second panel in. All right, so once you have it just finger tight, take your wrench, and then you can just tighten down your nut onto the panels. And there you have it, folks. These 4 rows of green beans here that we staked up using the livestock panel connectors, been up for about 2 weeks now. You can take a look out through here, see how the green beans are climbing up the cattle panels. Really works well, and especially if you have short rows like this, you can get by with just a couple panels and a few connectors. So again, check us out, onemanfencing.com, where you can order any panel connectors that you need. Have a good day.